What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we do crazy spray outs with Rustoleum and pearls and flakes, and we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? We rate it 1, we don't really care for it, all the way up to 5. It's the greatest thing we've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. And today is no different. We got our fender behind me as usual. We're going to two-tone it with 2 different Rustoleum colors. We're going to shoot a crazy new pearl over top, and then we're going to decide, do we love it or hate it? The colors today I'm using are Cobalt Blue and Apple Red. It's going to be a really good contrast from light to dark. And we got a crazy new pearl, Mint Colorshift. It's supposed to shift from silver to green. So it's going to be a really interesting spray out today. I'm really excited to get into it. So let's spray some Rustoleum and then we'll lay up some pearls. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got our blue and our red sprayed out, looking very patriotic, kind of like a Captain America theme. But today I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear 4-to-1 mix. Got 4 parts clear. I'm going to mix 1 part activator. That's 4-to-1. And it's about 70 degrees outside, so this is medium temp. Should work great. And let me put a 1 ounce. There we go. Put that in there. Mix it up real good, and hey, let's throw some pearl in it. Now this mint pearl, like I said, when I used it on the pole bomb roof, it looked like it shifted from silver to green. So I did have somebody in the past video that wanted to see silver over red, so I figured, hey, this would knock out multiple, combinations people wanted to see with one go. So as always, it's a 5-gram little bottle. I'm gonna spritz a little bit in the mix. And right away, I can definitely see some yellow. Now, what else it's going to do, I don't know. So, let's get to mixing it real quick. Interesting. Well, let me bring you in close so you can see the mix. So as you can see, I'm definitely seeing greens, but I'm almost seeing some browns and stuff too. I don't know if that's going to help to get the silver. I do, under certain lights, see some silver. Boy, this is kind of a weird one today, guys. I don't know, but let's load up the gun, let's shoot it, and hey, let's see what we get. Alright guys, so I got my mint Colorshift in the mix and my little V-Vor gun. It's got a 1.4 tip. We always shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger. And if you want to replicate my settings, have at it. But always keep your pearls agitated in the mix. You don't want them to clump, especially with color shifts. Always apply a light coat first, that way you don't overload it. And just check for reactions or whatever. Then we'll probably do another coat or 2 until we get the desired result. And then we'll take it outside in the sun and see what we got. But enough yapping, I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. guys, there you have it. Apple red and cobalt blue with a mint color shift. Shift from silver to green under different lights. And I did see silver and I did see green, so it did what it said it was going to do. So it was a very interesting pearl over top of this today. A little bit more subtle in some ways and a little bit more vivid in others. But anyways, guys, it's not up to me. I want you guys to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you ever seen and you want to spray it out yourself. And speaking of spraying out yourself, if you want to buy pearls, clear, any of the products you see me use on the channel, the paint gun, links in the description. Click as seen on YouTube. It takes you to my Amazon store where you can buy everything I use there. And this will be under the Chameleon Shift Pearl. It's a little 10 pearl kit, and yeah, everything's very cost affordable. It goes to help out the channel. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. But I had a lot of fun today, guys. This is going to be it for me today. I appreciate you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.